2026 Miami real estate update. So I'm Joanna Jimenez. I'm the principal of the Opes group. So we're one of the large teams in Miami. We actually do a lot of transactions and we're rewarded as one of the top teams in the city. So what I would tell you, our group, we're all on the ground. We're all top producers. We meet twice a week so we can know what's going on and have an upper advantage on what's happening in the market prior to when the news comes out with it in a few weeks or a few months. So what we are seeing is a lot of activity. We're seeing a lot of buyers are coming out there. They're submitting offers. A lot of the offers are submitting are lower offers than what the owner is asking. They're coming in as probably insult, lowball offers. But guess what? We have owners saying yes. And that's what we're seeing in this market, that a lot of sellers are either frustrated or already in terms where their value is not what they priced it at or near it, and they're willing to take that lower number. So if you are a homeowner and you have your house for sale and you weren't able to sell it with your realtor, call us. We are working with a lot of homeowners in that same situation. And what we're noticing is that the number one thing, it wasn't price. It was marketing. Marketing right now is the number one thing we're noticing in those listings that didn't sell, not price. Number two, if you are a buyer and you're like, I'm not sure to enter into this market, right now is your opportunity, as a lot of market inventory is available, a lot more than what was a few years ago. So you have options to choose from, and you're not in a multiple offer situation in all cases. There are some neighborhoods where we are still in multiple offer situations. But if you're a homeowner and you are in a buyer's market, then it is imperative that you meet with us so we could go over and share with you what to do so you could still get the max out. If you are a homeowner in a seller's market, then what our goal is to get you is that multiple offer situation. So overall, what are we seeing in 2026? We're seeing movement. We're seeing that, even if the property is priced high, taking that lower number. Market value is so important. The buyer knows what's going on. The buyer could see the comparables, the analysis. They're not overpaying. They're more well educated on what is going on. We have sellers right now that are, what I would say fire sales are taking place, especially in buildings. We're seeing a lot of fire sales take place. That is a very hard sale right now. A condo building, especially an older condo building. So if you're a homeowner of an older condo building, we have to sit down and strategize so you're not in a fire sale situation. And if you are, then let's think of what other alternatives. It's not always selling is the best time. So again, 2026, it's all about movement. We're excited to see movement. Interest rates have been coming down. We're excited to see movement in the amount of money flowing to the city of Miami-Dade County, or the county, the state of Florida. Just to give you an idea, in 2025, there were over 40,000 driver license exchanges that came place. So overall, there's movement. There's movement of influx. There's movement of wealth. There's movement in the real estate market. There's movement in those interest rates. And there's a lot of movement within. We're not seeing that it's only out-of-state buyers. There's a lot of locals right now already, especially they're in their 40s. They're looking to get that dream house that they've been holding off for the last 10 years. They have a lot of equity and a low interest rate in that first home, and they want or need that space because their kids are growing up and they want to have that larger dream home they've always dreamed of. So there is movement. That is the overall goal here and the overall message. So if you are interested in movement, either as a seller or as a buyer, my name is Joanna Jimenez. We're with the Opes Group at Compass, and we are happy to be of service.